Good day, I'm Theodore Henry, and this is your JIS News for Friday, March 15, 2024. Destination Jamaica has recorded 1 million visitors in the first 2 months of 2024. The island has also earned a record $1 billion in revenues and 8.8% increase over 2023. Tourism Minister Edmund Bartlett made the announcement during a press briefing on Thursday. He says the country has received 611,642 stopover visitors to date, a 7% increase. That's in addition to 389,319 cruise passengers, 29% more than the same period last year. Minister Bartlett says the growth being witnessed bodes well for the country's goal of achieving 5 million visitors and earning $5 billion by 2025. Last year, the country received 4 million visitors, resulting in $4 billion of revenue.
Caribbean tourism growth has really caught the attention of the world. And in our own particular case in Jamaica, we're particularly proud, I must say, of the level of growth that we have had post-COVID. And normally we talk about 2019 as being the benchmark. We have changed that. 2023 is a new benchmark for Jamaica's tourism.
Meanwhile, Jamaica is among 3 Caribbean islands that will be featured in a media fam trip being planned by the Caribbean Hotel and Tourism Association, CHTA. The association will be putting together an exclusive trip where 5 members of the media will go on a 10-day experience in Jamaica, the Dominican Republic, and the Cayman Islands to see the diversity of their tourism products in depth. CHTA President Nicola Madden-Gregg says the media fam trip is a feature of the 42nd staging of the Caribbean Travel Marketplace Trade Show that will take place from May 22 to 23 at the Montego Bay Convention Center. Another first, she says, is a standalone meetings, incentives, conferences, and exhibitions MICE exchange program to involve 20 meeting planners.
The MICE market has tremendous potential for the region and generated over $900 billion in 2023 worldwide, and is expected to double that revenue by 2032. It is time for the Caribbean to focus on getting a bigger slice of that very significant pie.
Tourism Minister Edmund Bartlett, who has been championing the issue of multi-destination travel in the region, welcomed the addition.
I'm excited about multi-destination tourism because it's part of that future. What COVID taught us is that competition is en passé. Co-petition is now the new word. It taught us that we must compete, we must collaborate, do things together, and achieve results because of convergence and coalitions.
Companies that offer cash courier services will soon be able to add armor to their vehicles without paying General Consumption Tax, GCT. Finance Minister Dr. Nigel Clark says that by doing this, the government is proposing to increase support for the armored cash and courier industry and enhance the security of courier operations.
Effective the first quarter of the upcoming fiscal year, and for 24 months thereafter, any company that operates an approved cash courier business will be able to import free of general consumption tax on the added cost of armor in the vehicle.
Also coming out of the Finance Minister's recent budget presentation, government is committing funds to boost the state of Jamaican cricket over the medium term. $100 million is being allocated over the next 3 years, starting with $40 million this year. Minister Nigel Clark says it reflects the administration's belief in Jamaica's potential and capacity in cricket. The Sport Minister, Olivia Grange, has said plans are being implemented for the long-term future of local and regional cricket. Particular attention will be given to the development of youth cricket in Jamaica over the next 5 years. And finally, the Child Protection and Family Services Agency, CPFSA, will be strengthening its safety and security mechanisms within the various childcare facilities in short order. Chief Executive Officer of the CPFSA, Laurette Adams-Thomas, made the announcement during a JIS think tank on Tuesday. She says the agency will work to ensure that all childcare facilities are assessed to ensure that every safety risk is handled.
Additionally, we will be seeking to install CCTV cameras within the childcare facilities, of course, within locations that we are permitted to install these cameras, but also cameras will be installed to capture the perimeters external to the facility.
Mrs. Adams-Thomas says the cameras will be integrated into the Jamaica JIS system. She adds that the CPFSA will also be taking steps to improve employee wellness.
What we are planning to do as it relates to employee wellness is to first conduct an employee wellness or satisfaction survey. And the information that is garnered from that survey will be used to develop the initiatives that we will then introduce as a part of the employee wellness program.
And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Theodore Henry. Thanks for watching.